Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 100-Day Spanish Challenge by Touri. I'm Mark,
And this is day 8 of the challenge.
If you haven't subscribed yet, you can find the link down below to join the challenge and follow along. Now I'm going to start by saying the word in Spanish at a normal pace, the masculine and feminine form, and then I'll break it down into syllables, followed by the English translation and a couple of example sentences. Let's get started. Number 71. Número 71. Contener. Kon-teh-nehr. Contener. To contain. The bag contains 4 ounces of chocolate. La bolsa contiene 4 onzas de chocolate. Number 72. Número 72. Corregir. Koh-rray-heer. Corregir. To correct. I like people to correct me when I speak English. Me gusta que me corrijan cuando hablo en inglés. Number 73. Número 73. Costar. 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 To cost. That treatment costs a fortune. Ese tratamiento cuesta una fortuna. Number 74. Número 74. Crimen. Kree-men. Crimen. Crime. They still haven't found the person responsible for the murder of that tourist. Ellos todavía no encuentran a la persona responsable por el asesinato de aquella turista. Number 75. Número 75. Cuadro. Cuatro. Cuadro. Picture or square. I hung some beautiful pictures in her room. Colgué unos cuadros preciosos en su habitación. Number 76. Número 76. Cuánto. 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 How much? How many presents did you get for Christmas? ¿Cuántos regalos les han dado en Navidad? Number 77. Número 76. Cuchara. 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 Spoon. Place the spoon to the right of the knife. Coloque la cuchara a la derecha del cuchillo. Number 78. Número 78. Cuidado. Tener cuidado. 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 Care or to be careful. However, we really must take care not to mix up 2 different things here. Sin embargo, tenemos que tener cuidado de no mezclar 2 cosas distintas. Number 79. Número 79. Cumpleaños. 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 Birthday. My grandfather's birthday is tomorrow. El cumpleaños de mi abuelo es mañana. Number 80. Número 80. Charlar. 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 To chat. I'm going to chat with the manager to find out the truth. Voy a charlar con el gerente para averiguar la verdad. The best way to learn this material is through repetition, memorization, and conversation. If you'd like to practice your newly learned vocabulary, Touri offers live, fun, and immersive one-on-one online language lessons with native instructors at nearly any time of the day. Check out touri.co, or you can follow the link down below. Until next time, adios.